Hey everyone!
This is Matt and Cat Things.
As you all may know, we've bought a duplex here in Maine and we're going to renovate, and we'll live in one side and rent out the other. And one of the first things we wanted to do was move the pellet stove from the side that we're going to renovate to the side we're going to live in.
We went out to the stove store and they wanted like $350 to move it from one place to the other. And plus we need a new motor in the stove because it's making a bunch of noise. And that was another 300 bucks. So we decided to do it ourselves. And this is what this is all about. Enjoy. Here's the stove in the old location. Now I've got it pulled away from the wall and a quick little patch put over just to keep the cold from coming in. Removing the paneling, and oh my, paneling on top of paneling. Ooh. One of the biggest challenges to installing the stove where we wanted was that there was no power anywhere in that part of the house. So I had to run a new outlet, a new circuit rather, up from the basement and put power along that whole wall. Another difficulty with this install was that the combustion motor was basically shot. It was making a ton of noise. Changing that motor meant, first of all, cutting off one of the fans that had basically welded to the shaft, taking the old motor out, and then the wiring harness on the new motor was too short, so I had to reconfigure the wiring inside the stove, but it all went back together and sounded great afterwards.